Welcome to the remotest workspace on Earth, on the legendary Robinson Crusoe Island. Lenovo has built a tech-enabled workspace so you can do your day job. And in your free time, you'll work with the local community and the NGO Island Conservation. Together, we'll change how people work, for good, leaving a smarter tech legacy that helps people and the planet.
Thanks to the collaboration and technology provided by Lenovo, we are now able to implement consistent data collection, develop manageable machine learning workflows turning camera photos into data, and provide real-time access to the data. Says Mr. David Will, Head of Innovation at Island Conservation. Within months of first connecting this remote island community to advanced technology, and a group of passionate individuals, we have already seen technology's significant impact on Robinson Crusoe Island, speeding up their precious conservation work by 100%. This is the power of smarter technology for all. Says Ms. Emily Ketchen, Vice President and CMO of Intelligent Devices Group, Lenovo. For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.